Alright, Damien here with DT Motorsports. MTR Tires is now a dealer for Obor tires. This is just a first look video. I've been running the CST. These are the Pulse. I really like how these handle. I like the compound. Last year I ran the Ambush. They were excellent also, but the rears hooked a little too much and the front washed out a little bit. But I do like when it slides a little bit, so I think that these Obors, they're taller lugs and they're aggressive, but they're kind of rounder on the sides. I really think these are going to do excellent on the three-wheeler. They're also good for quad applications. These are the Advent. This is the S. This is the Advent MX. First looks, the compound, it's really soft. Hopefully it wears slow like the CST, because these are really soft also. I think these are going to be excellent tires. I'm excited to get some rims in them and test them out. That won't be until we get back from Glamis though. Alright, stay tuned for some Glamis videos.